Look at that. Hard to open the door. Oops. Oh yeah. Hey. Here we go. 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 Okay. All right. Look at that. It's almost 12 inch already. Oh, it's coming inside. So here I go. Free snow, free ice. Here it comes. Hey, my teacher, Wim Hof, he goes to the ice for hours. I go for maybe 3 minutes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. That will be enough to say that's good for your health. Here I go. Control the stress, control breathing, relax. And keep smiling. Look at that. The door is blocked by the ice. Okay, and snow, I mean. Alright. Shovel is right outside. I'm going to shovel and open it a little bit. Let me go. Here we go. There you go. Good time to wallow a little bit on the ice.
Baba, come in and put on clothes.
No, this is my practice, okay? It's the Wim Hof Method I do.
This is crazy,
Yes. All right. Let me put some bird seed for my birds. Let me spread some bird seed on the ground. All right. There I can put this. There we go. That's it. Right. There we go. Never see me thinking. They will not have any more doubt. This guy is crazy. Let them think I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy. I'm doing Wim Hof Method. Right. There we go. Pristine snow, free snow. I'm going to wallow on the snow a little bit, okay? Here we go. See, my skin turned red because inner hot blood rushing to the surface. See, maybe you can see it. My chest, my tummy,